Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is day 2 of my 7 days of Christmas projects. Today is a fun project, and it is something you can use to give as a gift. So the product I've used is actually our Kraft gift boxes. Now you may have missed them. They're way at the back of the Stampin' Up! Annual catalogue. They're on page 140. There they are there. There's 10 boxes in there, and they are super easy to put together, and this is a super easy project. These Kraft boxes really would be a game changer for getting your Christmas gifting ready, because you can put all sorts of cute things in there. So let me show you what we're using. We're using one of the Kraft gift boxes. Like I said, so easy to put together. This is a piece of the Designer Series paper stack. Now it's at the back of the mini catalogue. And if you are a demonstrator watching this, you may have already purchased it. It is the Celebrate Everything 12 by 12 stack. It's actually a host stamp set, so you can, paper stack, so you can only actually get this one if you either have a workshop or you have sales above a certain amount. But if you do, it's worth it because there's a lot of paper in there, and I just love this black and white. We're just using some of my favourite gingham ribbon and some of this most beautiful the natural finish ribbon, which is also in the mini catalogue. And as usual, I've put a link to the products in the description bar below. Most importantly though, how to make this cute little tag is using the Very Best Occasions stamp set and the punch. Now this is a bundle that's available in the mini catalogue. Now it is carrying over into the new year, but it won't be a bundle. So when you're buying a bundle, you're buying the stamp set and the punch, and you get 10% off. So if you buy it before the catalogue runs out at the end, at 4th of January or 3rd of January, you'll get the 10% off. Otherwise it'll be an individual separate thing. So it's a great punch. I actually only recently got it and just realised what I've been missing out on. So let's put the box together first and then do our stamping last. So all you'll need is your bone folder, and give these a really good burnish. It's Kraft cardstock, so it needs, really good. So burnish on all of those fold lines. The better you burnish them, the better the box will look when you put it together. Look how I got them all done. So essentially it folds in like this. So that's how it goes together with the tabs. And the great thing about this, if you haven't already noticed, is that it's got sticky tab on here, so you don't have to add any, which is fabulous. So let's take all those off. So I have given a gift of these one year, and it had, I put coffee sachets and tea sachets and some little individually wrapped biscuits in there one year, which is a great gift. You could put note cards in here. So sorry, I better stop talking while I show you how to do this. So you're just going to fold in all of these tabs. So fold and hold it in. Whoops, didn't do a good job of that one. So hold that one in. Hold that one. Right, so there's the base. Let's bring this one in now. And that sticky tape that's on, that adhesive that's on there is really sticky. So it works. That's the base done. Just going to fold these ones in out to the top. And there it is, it's made. Really, really easy. Can't get much easier than that, right? You can put some homemade, anything, homemade cards in there, obviously, anything you like. Love that big window that it's got there. It does have a little bit of it does peak a little bit there, so if you are someone who doesn't like that, that's why I've put my ribbon around there, so it just doesn't sort of stick out that much, but it's not really that noticeable. let's do the little wrap. So I've cut this piece of Designer Series paper. It's a full 12 by 12. I've cut it down to 9 centimeters, and I just wanted it so I could have a little peek of the window showing top and bottom. So you could have a little bit narrower if you wanted to have a little bit more showing. Just wrap it round. And squeeze those sides in, and then to make it nice and sharp and give it a nice finish, just burnish those fold lines that you just did. Put that together. That's the front of the box there. Oops, my Christmas tree is going the right way. And then with a little bit of tape, Stampin' Seal. So that will slide off. That's good. That's really good. Right. Let's do our stamping now. So that's pretty easy, right? You could actually colour these trees. I have seen that done with someone else using this paper for a card. It looks really cute with the stamping blends. So let's bring in this fabulous stamp, this one here, with a little more sparkle. Now I used Memento Black for this one. I'm actually going to stamp this one now in, what am I using? I'm using Evening Evergreen. It's a lovely dark colour. I just felt that it maybe needed to be a little bit darker. Now I cut my thick basic white is 6.5 by 6.5 centimeters. I didn't, because I wanted also to show you how the punch works. So that I like that with the Even Evergreen, just that little bit different. I don't know if you can really see it that much different. I can definitely see it right there. So the punch, it's got the 3 little corners on it plus the ribbon tag. So one thing I found, so pop one corner in. So pop your corner in there. So pop one corner in, push down, and you've got that lovely scallop, you've got that lovely shape right there, okay? Now, if you go that way, you'll get, it'll go in a different, the shape will come out differently. So if I can just show you on this one, it was a practice one, no, not that one. You won't get that same shape, so you have to flip, well, this is what I found anyway. I flipped it over. And then it comes out the same. Otherwise, that curve is the opposite direction, if you know what I mean. I hope you do. You probably don't. When you use it, you'll see what I mean. And then flip that one over again to get it in the same orientation. Here we go. Isn't that lovely? A lovely way to make a really simple little tag. Really like that. And we're going to use the ribbon one. Pop that through there. So I'm just basically looking for the center there, eyeballing it. There we go. There it is. Great. Very worthwhile purchase, that one. I'm going to bring in my stamping blends. Now I'm going in with I'm using Parakeet Parties. It's bright. And I'm just going to put a little bit of colour down there. The light, go back in and blend out with the dark. Could use any of your green ones here for the holly. I chose to use the new in colour ones. And I'm just using one, this is Sweet Sorbet, just for the berries. There we go. Easy, 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 easy. So, ribbon, I love this ribbon. I love it so much. Just cut that one off there. not quite ready to put that ribbon on yet. We're going to do the natural bow. Where do I put it? Okay. I must order some more of this because I love it, and I love a natural ribbon. I really do. Alright, so this is where the fun begins. So you do your ribbon however you do your bow however you do your bow. Just whatever works for you is fine. Whatever the shape you like your bow is fine. Whatever you like. You see, I'm having to do it twice now. Okay. For me, I like to get that straight. Right. Try one more time. I know there's a bow maker out there watching me going, oh, Mary, you are butchering it. But I love doing them. I like them to be perfect. Doesn't always work. Here we go. Got that one slightly bigger than my other one, but that's actually okay. Oh, I forgot one thing on our tag, and that's these little sequins. So these are the seasonal adhesive backed sequins. If you don't already have them, then I highly recommend you do, because they're adhesive backed, so that says it all for me. Yeah. Anything that already has the adhesive on it is always going to be a winner in my world. Yeah, and then nearly forgot them. And then just popping this around here now. I'm just trying to carry through that black and white theme, obviously, with the ribbon. Oops, I've done that round the wrong way. Just remembered I didn't wrap it round. I did the bow here, and then I attached it with a glue dot. I did try a couple of different methods, but the glue dot seemed to work the best. Oh my gosh. Right, stop fussing and leave the ribbon, Mary. It'll be fine. So what I did there is I just popped a couple of our very strong glue dots right onto that ribbon. And that is going to hold, whoops, so strong it won't come off. There we go. That's going to hold the ribbon, the tag in place. I mean, I should have wrapped it round here, but you guys know what I mean, right? I'm sure you do. Okay, and then just straight onto there. And that is all there is to it. Whoops, tidy up our ribbon. That's it. How good is that? I love that. If you could hear that noise in the background, that was actually my dog snoring. So there you have it. Really simple project for Christmas, cute for gift giving. Pop anything you like in there, super simple to make. And yeah, so that's day 2 of 7 days of Christmas. Thank you for watching. I've put a link to the products I've used in the description bar below. Have a great day. Bye.